So here we will start with going to our hosting website, that is oweb.xyz. Here we're going to oweb.xyz. Here we go. Oh, you can see some interesting loader out here. After going to the oweb.xyz, we will proceed to its login page, sign up page I meant to say. As you can see, the username here means the name that you will be having for your subdomain. Like if you put here Apple, then you will get the subdomain name, that is the address of your blog, that will be apple.oweb.xyz. So for this we are putting out, let's say, blog number 1. Now for the password we are going with something blog number 1, the similar thing, or maybe let's go with smaller one like blog 123. The password is blog 123 for this one. For email ID, I'm going to select one of my main emails out there, Thopper EST December, that I made earlier. Then here we go with this. You can see it here. It's something like this. Then we are going to submit it. Now you will get the activation mail on the email as shown there. Then let's go to the email mail. Here we go. Come on, load, man. Usually it comes in the spam box. Then go to the spam box. Let's wait and see. See, here is the thing. The activation mail is here. Then just click it and wait. It's gonna take a few seconds for it to be done. Your virtual host, Apache virtual host, has been installed. Similarly, this control panel, that is the C panel, has been installed. Softaculous and other things are also installed. You can see that the C panel that we are providing you with is an industry standard control panel. It costs about $5 to $10 a month just for the control panel, and it is being provided at free of charge to you. Now you can see we have gotten the username. Just copy the username. This is the important thing. I think you should save it in some text pad or something, in a text file or something. But you will also get a mail containing this username and something like this. You should see there is a mail which contains this. Ignore this cpanel.siteforce.com because it was our earlier website. Now we have changed the address. So here we go. That is cpanel.over.xyz to access your cpanel, and the password was blog 123. We will be logging into it, and here is something which just needs permission to send you mail. Now This is your own control panel, and you can see what you are getting here. There, as you can see, there is a limitations on your daily hits, that is 50k, but I think it is more than enough for all the starter websites. Similarly, there is also a limit on number of files that can be uploaded on your account, because if such limits are not there, then people might be ambitious to think that they can make their own Dropbox or anything like that. So we are putting out two limits there, one on page and second on number of files that you can put out here. Now you can see we have made the site, that is blog number 1.oweb.xyz. when you will open it, you will see a page on it that we have found, that I have made. I have spent around 4 hours just doing this. It is one of the most famous thing under our team. We usually joke about it, how we spent 8 hours just making a goddamn error and 404 page. So that was it for that, and now you can see we will proceed to making your setting up your first blog. So as you can see, here is the Softaculous app installer. It contains over 450 apps like WordPress, Joomla, etc. Now let's go with this. For WordPress, we are directly installing it and removing it this, because it will set it to another directory if we just let it be there. Now you can change the name, like I am the coolest. It's my coolest blog. Let the password be admin and pass. Nobody cares about that. You can even select some of the themes already put here, or you can select it later. There is no problem with it. So I will go for, at this moment, nothing. I'm not going to select anything, just to install it. The file is being installed. It has been installed. Now you can open this site and bullseye, your forum, oh sorry, I meant to say your blog has been installed. And that's all for this tutorial. You can access your admin page from here, or you can also access it by going through this point, and you should remember the login username and password that you have put earlier there. Now this is the dashboard that you can see, and we will cover how to edit your WordPress website in the next tutorial. Thank you.